Yo, what's going on? Just a quick one, short-term Bitcoin update, guys. Yeah, I actually started this a while ago, but I got waylaid making dinner and making some mulled wine. We're snowed in here, so there's nothing else for it. A bit of trading and a bit of drinking fucking mulled wine. Anyway, so I was watching this retrace, which I just did initially because I had forgotten to bring it up to this recent high, and you can see that it was beautiful. It gave us a nice perfect little test of the zero point 0.5, and then following that I was just curious to see if we would get an hour. Let me change the colour of this because it's going to be all fucking messy. Oh no, you can see it here. Yeah, I wanted an hourly back above the zero point 0.5 to give me kind of a bit more confidence that we are going to go higher here, you know. So we got that, and prices, yeah, like it's been doing, Bitcoin's just smashing it up. So I'm expecting 100k. I'm expecting, you know, we've got the 1.618 on this long fib, which has been, you know, keeping us in good stead since the first two moves from the top of the Trumpy Pumpy into this consolidation. So we got the, you know, we got the 1-to-1. You know, tested it twice, made a bit of an ascending wedge and smashed through that. So now we're working our way up to likely 100k. Now there's a bit more confidence on that with a shorter term price action. So given the fact that we're working off this leg up here and we got the retrace to the 0.5, if we bend that retrace now, stick on an extension, it's going to give us the same more or less target as the one we have here on the golden pocket right on the 786. So I'm probably, I don't know how much of a psychological level it will be, you know, 100k. It's going to be interesting when we get there, you know, whether people are just going to start trying to front run it or have they been doing that already and shorts are coming in and now we're getting short squeeze to push us higher. So does it go higher is the big question. I think I'll probably close off around about here just to be on the safe side and then wait and see what happens. You know, better if price is going to get up here that we get the fuck out, you know, just before that 100k, that golden six figures. A couple of other interesting observations. I was just chatting to the guys and we've got, let's do this on the totals. Smash on total market cap and total 3. So yeah, I've got two totals going on, so I need total 3 down here. If you just initially put the weekly on, you know, you can see based on the structure of the total market cap, it looks like it goes, well, it doesn't really, you can see in fact that you get a wick into the previous all-time high, a wee rejection, and it blasts right through. So I'm curious because total 3 is at a key area as well, and I'm using a couple of things. I'm using an extension from the lows here to where we are, and we're just bumping into the old golden pocket here, and it looks like it's going to go straight through, but that was the illusion, and it was also lining up with this, which I think is more important, was this structure here, you know, this previous resistance. I feel like that was going to be a wee barrier, and then I thought to myself, oh look, it went straight through on the market cap, but if you zoom into the daily, you can see actually it didn't go straight through it. There was a lot of upside pressure. In the case here, it's 5 taps. It's 5 taps and through, you know. And interestingly, if we count the little taps on total 3, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going through. So, you know, things don't always repeat, but they kind of rhyme, right? We're looking at maybe a few more days here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gets through on the 7th a wee bit, then goes through 8, 9. So, you know, in a few days' time, maybe even into the weekend, we could see this move. A lot of people are calling for 1 trillion. I think we don't go that high, to be honest. I feel, let me get back on just total 3. I think that, you know, this 1-to-1 extension at 945 billion might just be enough, you know, because I think that sometime, obviously, we're going to get a pullback on Bitcoin. You know, it's coming. Of course it is. Nothing goes straight up forever, like, you know, and probably 20% has been the rhyme this cycle, 20% correction, you know, so we're looking, if we get to 100k, it's coming back to 80, you know, and so on and so forth. We're around about that region. I know there's good support at 82, and I've done that in previous videos. So, you know, I would like to think that perhaps we go quick, we go into this weekend, we're at 100k, maybe even tonight, tomorrow, and then we begin to pull back. Probably it overshoots a wee bit, gets short, you know, it wrecks a few shorts, and before it decides to actually fucking come down. That can take a wee bit of time, and it's that wee bit of time I'm interested in for alts to get a chance to run. It's that wee kind of dither about in this at the top before it corrects, that you know you get a chance to get a wee alts run, and you know this dominance is still really strong. You know you can see that if you put it on a higher term time frame, it's going up, and it almost looks like it's going up in a parabola. But where it stops and really nobody knows, it's difficult. You know, I was looking at dominance, and there's you can't chart this. There's, if anything, you can see, okay, it's a downtrend, but maybe that changes now. Bitcoin's got an ETF, so who the fuck knows? We just have to watch, really. We have to watch for it breaking down and giving us, you know, a good fucking red dildo to hell, basically, and then an idea that things are going to move in the alts, and then keep an eye on total 3. So anyway, this is my idea. Bitcoin goes up, dithers around, and then we get this push here up to this 1-to-1 900, and then I'm going to take all the profits. Everyone's going to be feeling quite fucking rich by that point. I'm certain of it, and you need a wee breather. I need to get some fucking sleep at night, and so yeah, I think it's time to chill after that, assuming we get that. That's what I'm watching for. Okie dokie. Hope that helps.